What if I told you that if you have a skill or product to sell, that you can earn an income from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection? That's all thanks to the noOnes shop. Hello everybody, I'm Lord Gaines, the community manager at noOnes, and today I'm going to guide you through a little walkthrough on how you can get started selling and earning crypto today on the noOnes shop. What is the noOnes shop? The noOnes shop is a global marketplace where people can buy and sell goods and services peer-to-peer with real human beings anywhere in the world and get paid directly in cryptocurrency. With cryptocurrency, every transaction is irreversible, meaning shop owners no longer need to worry or fear about chargebacks, which is a huge issue in modern e-commerce. Cryptocurrency solves that problem. And to take it a step further, you have an additional layer of protection using the killer application of cryptocurrency, which is escrow. Now, noOnes escrow feature protects both buyer and seller until the trade is complete, keeping both parties safe. Now, let me show you how you can get started making money today on noOnes shop. It's very simple. Come with me. So from your dashboard, to access the noOnes shop, you can either come to the navigation bar at the top where it says shop and select listings, or you can come straight to the launch hub and select the shop icon. This brings you to the noOnes shop homepage. It shows you all of the latest ads listed by vendors from all over the world. Products, services, digital products. The sky's the limit. Now, to create your own ad and start earning today, there's two ways that you could do it from this page. The first way is come to the navigation bar and select Post Ad, or come right here and select Post Your Ad. So we click on that. This page right here will be the foundation for our ad. All of the details such as the title and the description and photos. But first, we need to decide on what it is that we want to sell. So my parents actually created a clothing line called Pantheon Collective, and they have these really nice hats that I like. I'm actually wearing one right now. So what we'll do, once you have your product decided, you'll go ahead and get it out because we're going to need to take some photos here soon. And you want to see how many you have as well. The quantity helps as well, just in case a customer wants to buy more than one of your product. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so now that we know what we want to sell, we're going to go ahead and just put in an accurate description for the title of what your product is. In this case, it's a Pantheon Collective black trucker hat, and it's the only one edition. So we're going to go ahead and put in only one Pantheon Collective black trucker hat. Okay, now that your ad has a great title, we're going to want to go ahead and upload some images of our product. But before we do that, here are a few tips on taking really high quality photos for your ads.
Hello everyone, I'm Julian Gaines with J.Gaines Photography. Make sure to give us a follow on Instagram, and today I'll be showing you guys how to take high quality photos for your ads. So first off, you want to be in a well lit room, and if it's daytime, try to open up the blinds and let in some natural light. So whenever we're taking photos, you want to try to get angles of the front, back, and sides, and any important features or functions in your item. So now we're going to take pictures of all angles of the hat so that the buyer can know exactly what they're getting. And if you're specifically selling hats, it would be pretty helpful if you open it up to show it's adjustable. This is just an example for any item that you're selling. All right, now we're done. Maybe you're thinking, I don't have a crazy camera like that, but it's okay because you can use any modern smartphone to take your photos. Just make sure that your lighting is optimized for your photos and that the buyer can truly see what they're buying.
Now that you have all of your photos taken, an optional step that you can take next is to remove the background from your images or replace them using artificial intelligence. But I'll let you guys do your own research on that. It's pretty simple, and there's a lot of free options out there. So just hit drag and drop files here, which you can either drag and drop them or click on it, and you can upload them here. You can upload up to 5 images currently. Select open, and your photos come up. Now you want to make sure that the photo you want to appear on the shop homepage, your shop page, has this little thing selected and it's green. Okay, because if you select it on another one, it might get a shot that you don't want as your cover photo. So make sure your cover photo is selected. Add promotional text, so you can pretty much say anything here. So for this, we'll say Pantheon Collective exclusive. Alright, now about this ad, so I would say on the most basic end of things, you just want to be as descriptive as possible, saying anything that they might need to know about the product. And you can even go as far as to telling the story about the product. You know, get as creative as you want with it, but at the very least, just stick to the description. So we can say black trucker hat. Pantheon Collective. It's an adjustable hat, so one size fits all. Quantity 5. Also, you may have an item that you like to sell that is used, so listing the condition is also important. So for these, they're all brand new. We're going to put brand new. And for shipping, depending on where you live or where you're going to ship it to, that's up to you. So you might offer free shipping in your home country, so free shipping for domestic, and you can just include it in the cost of your item. And for international shipping, what you would want to do is have the buyer message you. Okay, so now we're going to want to choose the price for our product. Okay, and I recommend that in your home country to just include the cost of shipping. Okay, make it as simple as possible. So let's see here. Now you want to select the type of cryptocurrency that you choose. We'll choose USDT for this. You could choose from any cryptocurrency that is supported by noOnes escrow system. So our category would be physical products and fashion. But based on what you have, it will be different. So make sure to choose appropriately and choose where you will ship to. So we're going to do worldwide for us. Update. Okay, now if you select my shop, it'll take you to your shop with all of your items in your shop. Okay, and there we go. There's our listing for our ad that we just made. So if we click on our ad, everything that we put is prices in there. Again, once somebody purchases it, you'll be able to see the reviews for your product. Other buyers will be able to see the reviews and help them make a decision to see if you're a trustworthy vendor or not. So keep your integrity, provide the best service. When potential customers message you, give them as much information and be helpful as possible. Provide good customer service. You know, this is your shop, so treat it like one. Everybody has the opportunity to earn an income with noOnes shop. Can't wait to see you guys make some money. Let's get it.